Feeling that morning stiffness or that just getting older whisper? What if 3 simple, ancient-inspired moves could change everything in minutes a day? Discover the secret to feeling younger and stronger, starting now. Many individuals approaching their later years hold a strong aspiration to maintain vigor and independence. However, the natural passage of time inevitably brings physiological shifts that can significantly impact overall well-being. Conventional fitness programs, frequently designed with younger demographics in mind, often fail to adequately address these specific age-related changes. This fundamental disconnect can lead to considerable frustration when prescribed exercises feel unsuitable or overly demanding. The prevalent advice circulating in mainstream fitness may not resonate with the complex realities of a maturing body. Consequently, older adults may find themselves diligently searching for more appropriate, effective, and sustainable health solutions. The pursuit of lasting vitality in one's 50s, 60s, and indeed well beyond, necessitates a more thoughtful approach. Standard exercise routines, if not carefully selected, can sometimes present more potential risks than tangible rewards for this age group. The fear of injury or the exacerbation of pre-existing conditions is an entirely valid and understandable concern. Many popular fitness trends unfortunately overlook the subtle yet critical needs of aging individuals. This common oversight often results in a pervasive sense that current options are simply not adequate for long-term health. A more considered, intelligent strategy is therefore essential for navigating these important years with enduring strength and confidence. Traditional fitness paradigms frequently place a strong emphasis on high-intensity workouts, which may prove unsustainable for many older adults. Such demanding approaches can inadvertently overlook the unique physiological requirements and recovery capacities of individuals over 50. Joint health, a primary and often pressing concern for this demographic, can be unintentionally compromised by repetitive, high-impact exercises. Furthermore, complex or very rapid sequences of movement can be difficult to learn accurately and perform safely. This often requires continuous expert guidance, which may not always be accessible or affordable for everyone. The predominant focus in many mainstream fitness programs often leans more towards achieving superficial aesthetic results. This occurs rather than cultivating deep, functional health that supports daily living and overall well-being. This inherent misalignment between program goals and individual needs can lead to profound discouragement. Ultimately, this can result in the unfortunate abandonment of exercise altogether, hindering long-term health. What is critically needed is a system that intelligently respects the body's natural changes with age. Such a system should work with these changes, rather than attempting to aggressively fight against them. Many older adults candidly report feeling that contemporary fitness culture does not adequately speak to their lived experiences. They also feel it does not address their specific health goals for this stage of life. The subtle or overt pressure to perform at physical levels unsuited to their current capacity can be detrimental. This pressure can be both psychologically discouraging and physically risky for mature individuals. This environment frequently creates an unnecessary yet significant barrier to engaging in beneficial physical activity. A fundamental reevaluation of how fitness is approached for mature individuals is therefore urgently required. A significant and conscious shift in perspective is profoundly necessary to achieve genuine, lasting well-being throughout later life. This carefully developed new methodology thoughtfully draws its core inspiration from enduring, time-tested principles of human movement. It also draws from holistic health practices that have proven effective across generations and cultures. It deliberately and consistently emphasizes simplicity, focusing intently on fundamental movements that are inherently natural. These movements are also biomechanically sound for the human body, promoting safety and efficacy. At the very core of this innovative and accessible approach are 3 distinct, carefully selected exercises. These specific exercises, while commendably simple in their outward execution, are remarkably effective in their cumulative impact. Their conceptual origins are deeply rooted in ancient practices historically known for cultivating exceptional vitality and longevity. A key practical advantage is their inherent accessibility. They can be readily adapted to suit various fitness levels. This important characteristic makes them entirely suitable even for individuals who have been sedentary for extended periods. They are also appropriate for those who are relatively new to any form of structured exercise. The overarching intention is to systematically build a robust foundation of health from the inside out. This unique path offers a gentle yet surprisingly powerful way to reclaim and enhance physical competence. These 3 foundational exercises are not an arbitrary collection. They are meticulously chosen for their holistic benefits. Their ancient inspiration speaks to a deep, intuitive understanding of how the body maintains resilience over time. Simplicity in execution is a deliberate design choice, ensuring ease of learning and promoting consistent practice. This approach removes common barriers like complex choreography or the need for specialized exercise equipment. Despite their simplicity, these movements are robustly backed by contemporary scientific understanding of human physiology. Modern research increasingly validates the profound wisdom inherent in these time-honored physical disciplines. The exercises work synergistically to address the underlying biological processes often associated with advancing age. They are not merely about isolated muscle contraction, but about restoring natural, efficient movement patterns. This integrated approach is respectful of the body's wisdom and informed by current, evidence-based scientific findings. It effectively bridges ancient knowledge and modern scientific validation, creating a powerful synthesis for health. This meticulously structured method is specifically designed to target the aging process at its fundamental roots. It aims to counteract age-related declines by promoting cellular health and systemic physiological balance. One primary outcome is the development of practical, functional strength essential for everyday activities. This renewed strength contributes directly to improved stability, better posture, and overall physical confidence. Crucially, these benefits are achieved without subjecting the body to undue strain or excessive physical stress. The exercises are inherently gentle on joints, minimizing risk of injury associated with strenuous workouts. This focus on safety and sustainability is paramount for older adults seeking long-term wellness. Vitality, encompassing physical energy and mental clarity, is significantly enhanced through consistent practice. The program fosters a tangible sense of rejuvenation, empowering individuals to feel more capable and alive. It actively supports the body's innate capacity for healing and adaptation, promoting resilience against stressors. This method encourages a harmonious relationship with one's body, cultivating well-being from within. It addresses concerns like sarcopenia and reduced mobility by building a solid foundation of strength. The overarching aim is to substantially improve quality of life, allowing for active participation in life. This is not a quick fix, but a sustainable path to enduring health and vigor. The gentle nature ensures individuals can adhere to the program consistently, which is key to results. This consistency unlocks the profound long-term benefits this unique approach offers to older adults. It empowers individuals to take active control of their aging journey with confidence and grace. We will explore a deeply beneficial practice, the mindful horse stance, an exercise of quiet power. This particular exercise serves as a cornerstone for enhancing physical stability and overall structural health. Its designation as foundational underscores its importance in establishing a solid base for physical integrity. The mindful horse stance is thoughtfully designed for manageable durations, typically 1 to 3 minutes. This makes it an accessible starting point for individuals seeking sustainable improvements in their well-being. Despite its gentle approach, the cumulative effects of this practice can be remarkably profound over time. It is especially pertinent for mature adults who wish to maintain vitality and functional independence. Advancing years can often bring subtle, yet impactful changes to our natural posture and alignment. These alterations, if unaddressed, may contribute to a range of physical discomforts and limitations. Poor posture can compress the spine, leading to chronic pain and reduced flexibility in daily movements. It may also constrict breathing capacity and negatively affect balance, increasing the risk of falls. The human body is engineered for optimal alignment, where skeletal structures support weight efficiently. The mindful horse stance specifically targets the re-education of the body towards this natural, efficient alignment. By consciously holding the stance, individuals begin to counteract habitual patterns of suboptimal posture. This process helps to lengthen the spine and open the chest for improved physiological function. Central to this exercise is the engagement of deep, stabilizing muscles, often overlooked in conventional fitness. These intrinsic muscles include the transverse abdominis, multifidus in the back, and pelvic floor muscles. They form a natural corset around the torso, providing essential support to the spine and pelvis. With age or prolonged inactivity, these crucial support muscles can weaken, compromising stability. The mindful horse stance gently coaxes these deep muscles into activation without strenuous effort. This activation is key to restoring core strength from within, enhancing overall bodily control. Strong stabilizing muscles act like an internal support system, reducing strain on larger, superficial muscles. Their conditioning is paramount for maintaining an upright posture and executing movements with greater ease. Re-establishing proper bodily alignment through this stance yields numerous significant health advantages for older adults. Correct alignment distributes body weight evenly, thereby minimizing excessive stress on vulnerable weight-bearing joints. This includes critical joints such as the knees, hips, ankles, and the vertebral discs of the spine. Reduced joint stress can translate directly into less pain and greater comfort during daily activities. Furthermore, improved alignment significantly enhances balance, a crucial factor in preventing falls among seniors. A well-aligned body also promotes better circulation of blood and lymphatic fluids throughout the system. Optimal nerve function can be restored as pressure on nerve pathways is alleviated through postural correction. Many individuals report a heightened sense of groundedness and physical confidence from this practice. One of the most celebrated benefits of the mindful horse stance is its efficacy in alleviating back pain. Chronic back discomfort, a prevalent issue for many older individuals, often stems from poor posture. By correcting spinal alignment and strengthening support muscles, this exercise addresses root causes of pain. It offers a non-pharmacological pathway to managing and potentially reducing reliance on pain medication. Beyond back pain, the reduction in joint stress can also soothe discomfort in hips and knees. This gentle, restorative approach supports the body's innate capacity for healing and self-regulation. Consistent practice can lead to a noticeable decrease in the frequency and intensity of such common ailments. The mindful horse stance fundamentally works to improve the body's overall structural integrity over time. Structural integrity refers to the soundness of the musculoskeletal system, its ability to support and move. For older adults, maintaining this integrity is directly linked to preserving independence and an active lifestyle. A strong, well-aligned structure allows for greater ease in performing everyday tasks like walking or lifting. It contributes to resilience against physical stressors and reduces the likelihood of injury from minor incidents. Think of this practice as a long-term investment in your physical framework and enduring mobility. Enhanced structural integrity fosters a sense of capability, enabling continued engagement in cherished activities. The mindful aspect of the mindful horse stance is as important as the physical posture itself. This involves bringing focused, non-judgmental awareness to your body's sensations during the exercise. Pay close attention to your breath, the contact of your feet with the ground, and muscle engagement. Begin with short durations, perhaps just 1 minute, gradually increasing as your comfort and strength grow. It is essential to listen attentively to your body's signals, avoiding any strain or sharp pain. Consistency in practice, even for brief periods daily, yields more significant benefits than sporadic longer sessions. The aim is not perfection, but a gentle, persistent cultivation of awareness and improved physical organization. This mindful engagement transforms the exercise into a meditative practice, calming the mind while strengthening. Societal views frequently portray the process of aging as an unyielding descent into frailty and significantly diminished capacity. This common narrative, however, does not fully encompass the complex reality of human longevity and inherent potential. A more nuanced understanding reveals that aging need not be synonymous with inevitable and irreversible physical deterioration. The fundamental truth is that the human experience of aging can be profoundly reshaped by informed perspectives and actions. We are invited to explore a paradigm where later life is characterized by continued vigor and meaningful engagement. This reevaluation begins with acknowledging the body's intrinsic capabilities, often underestimated in conventional discourse on aging. It is crucial to differentiate between chronological age, the simple passage of years, and functional age. Chronological age is merely a numerical marker, indicating the time elapsed since one's birth. Functional age, conversely, reflects the body's actual operational capacity and overall physiological health status. These two measures of age do not always advance in perfect synchrony throughout an individual's lifespan. One person might exhibit a functional age significantly younger than their chronological peers due to various factors. Conversely, another may experience accelerated functional aging if certain health aspects are not adequately addressed. The empowering insight is that functional age is not fixed. It can be positively influenced and even improved. This distinction offers a powerful framework for proactively managing the aging process with intention and purpose. The human body is endowed with an extraordinary, innate capacity for maintaining vitality and robust health. This inherent ability for self-regulation and repair is a cornerstone of biological existence and resilience. Our physiological systems are designed to seek equilibrium, constantly working to adapt and restore balance effectively. Cellular renewal processes, though they may change with time, continue to operate throughout our entire lives. The body possesses remarkable defense mechanisms and regenerative potential that can be supported and even enhanced. This inherent vitality is not a finite resource that simply depletes with each passing year without recourse. Instead, it is a dynamic quality that responds profoundly to the conditions and care it receives. Understanding this intrinsic strength allows us to approach aging not with trepidation, but with proactive engagement. Maintaining or restoring vitality involves aligning our daily practices with the body's fundamental natural design. Nourishing the body with wholesome, nutrient-rich foods provides the essential building blocks for cellular health. Adequate hydration is equally critical, supporting countless physiological processes necessary for optimal bodily function. Consistent physical activity, tailored to individual capabilities, preserves strength, flexibility, and cardiovascular well-being. Movement is not merely about exercise. It is a fundamental biological imperative for maintaining functional capacity. Engaging the mind through lifelong learning and cognitive stimulation helps maintain mental acuity and resilience. Intellectual curiosity and new challenges contribute significantly to cognitive vitality throughout the aging process. Effective stress management is paramount, as chronic stress can significantly impair the body's restorative abilities. Cultivating practices that promote relaxation and emotional equilibrium supports overall physiological harmony and health. Meaningful social connections and community engagement provide vital emotional support and a sense of belonging. These interpersonal bonds are deeply intertwined with both psychological well-being and physical health outcomes. Sufficient restorative sleep is also non-negotiable for physical repair, cognitive consolidation, and overall rejuvenation. During sleep, the body undertakes essential maintenance tasks crucial for long-term health and daily energy levels. The choices we make daily exert a profound and cumulative influence on our individual aging trajectories. These lifestyle decisions can either accelerate or decelerate aspects of the functional aging process over time. Proactive health management and informed choices empower us to mitigate many commonly anticipated age-related concerns. This is not to suggest a burden, but rather an opportunity for greater self-direction and health. Embracing health-supportive habits can significantly enhance quality of life and extend periods of active well-being. The power to shape one's health destiny remains more significant than often conventionally presumed or acknowledged. Each positive action contributes to a larger pattern of sustained vitality and resilience through the years. It is time to collectively redefine our societal and personal expectations regarding the experience of later life. Aging can, and indeed should, be viewed as a period of continued growth, wisdom, and contribution. The narrative of inevitable decline must be replaced with one that emphasizes potential and enduring human spirit. Functional improvements are achievable irrespective of one's current chronological age, offering renewed hope and motivation. This perspective encourages an active, engaged approach to health, rather than passive acceptance of deterioration. The real truth about aging is that it holds possibilities for vitality far beyond outdated cultural scripts. By understanding our body's design, we can cultivate a future rich with health and purpose. Embrace the journey of aging with knowledge, intention, and the conviction of your inherent capacity for well-being.